Hey everybody, it's Janku. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great time over Christmas and had a good party and a drink or two over New Year's. I hope 2020 is going to be a great year for you, the best year yet. So from us here at Surviveware, Happy New Year. I'm here today to announce the waterproof first aid kit winners. There were 10 of them. They racked up a lot of points. But before I give out the names, just a short announcement. You know, there were a lot of entries this month, only 10 winners. So for some, this is not going to be the happiest video, but there is some good news because our new sweepstakes is already live. You can go check out below or go to www.surviveware.com/sweepstakes. And this is very, very cool and good news because the 10 people that won the waterproof first aid kit this month, they got the most points. However, this month we're changing the rules a little bit, and the person that's going to win is only going to be one winner, and he's going to be chosen at random by computer software. That means that whether you have 5,000 points or 1 point, you still have a chance to win. But I need to explain to you what points mean. Like, why would you want to get more points? Each point equals an entry. So if you've got 20 points, it means you've essentially entered 20 times. Therefore, your chances of being chosen at random would be much better. So if you get a lot of points, you get a lot of entries, you have a much better chance of winning. And the total prizes, our biggest single prize to one person ever is going to be for $354. That's all our kits, our new kits, the waterproof kit, the survival kit, all of it is going to be sent to you at the end of the month when we'll announce the winner, and you can enter today. So that is that. But now to say thank you to the winners, guys. Thank you for racking up so many points, sharing, getting people to join, liking us on social media. You know, obviously, you know, we're not just giving away things for our health. We're trying to obviously spread a bit of buzz about our products. So thank you for helping us do that. That is Arthur, Misty, Amber, Randall, Michael, Dana, Kathleen, Megan, Vicky, and Nancy. Thank you so much, guys. We're in the final stage of the waterproof first aid kit mass production. And as soon as we're done, which should be very early in February, I'll send you the tracking details when we send you the waterproof first aid kit to your house for free, as always. So thanks again, guys. Then just one last thing before I go. Our survival kits are finally almost live. They should start selling next week. And I'll send out a short little email just to let you guys know of some amazing deals that we're going to do to launch this product. We need to create a bit of buzz, and who else to give it to than people that have been helping Survivor spread the love, and so we'll give back with some amazing discounts. So that's that from me, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day and an incredible 2020.